All right, so just doing a couple extra examples for that RNA decomp and reconstruction. These are on the back of that first page that I gave you so that you can follow along. But you should already kind of know what you're doing. Just needed a couple extra examples to make sure we got everything in place. So again, this first group of fragments are G fragments, so I'm going to put hyphens behind U's and C's. So there we go. This one doesn't have a U or a C, so I just get rid of it. Otherwise, in my UC fragments, I put hyphens behind G's. These don't have G's. This G goes nowhere. So I just have these few fragments to deal with, to work with. The first one is a U going to a G. And then I have a C going to a G through an AU. And that happens twice. So I just have to deal with it twice, two different versions of the same thing. Remember, you put AU on the line like a hitchhiker because there's two hyphens in these two examples. Otherwise, if there's one hyphen like this G to C, you just connect a G to a C. And this is a G to a C with a G on it as a hitchhiker. So now I just have to complete my path, right? So I think we got at least this far in class with everybody. I may or may not have gotten to finish writing the two strands that work for this, because technically I can go U, G, and then let's say I go this way first. I'd go a C, A, U, G, back to that G. Then I go this way, pick up a G on my way to another C, A, U, G, and that's one possible outcome. But technically there were two different options for this strand, right? I could have gone from U to G and then gone through the G to C first. So I'd have a G, C, A, U, G, and then I'd go back to C and get another A, U, G. And sometimes you just get two options, right? I think in one of the classes I may have actually screwed up one of these strands and put an A. I had CAAG, so we thought we knew which one was actually the right answer, but technically I'm not really going to know. Sometimes I can look at the oddball in my fragments, because these are UC fragments, but this is the one fragment that didn't end with a U or a C. And so that can tell me about the ending of my RNA fragment. But technically I'm not going to know really what happened here, because either one of these are options because they both end with G.